Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TR Learners. Today we are going to learn a post-inter English 5th lesson from poetry, Night of the Scorpion. In this lesson we are going to learn one more questions. Why did the scorpion enter the poet's house? Because there were heavy rains in that area. When did the scorpion enter the poet's house? At night. Who did the scorpion sting? It stung on the toe of the poet's mother. What did the scorpion do after stinging the poet's mother? It went out of the house, though it was still raining. Who came to the poet's house? A large number of peasants came to the poet's house. What did the peasants say? They uttered the names of God, they cursed the scorpion, they prayed to God to paralyze the scorpion, they clicked their tongues to show pity for the woman stung by the scorpion. They wished her present suffering would reduce the misfortune in her next birth. They wished that the scorpion's poison would purify her flesh. Who is the evil one? The scorpion that stung the poet's mother is the evil one. What did the poet's father do? He put some paraffin on the wound and burnt it with a match. What did the holy man do? He said some mantras to reduce the woman's pain. How long did the pain last? The pain lasted 24 hours. What did the poet's mother say after her pain was gone? She said, "Thank God the scorpion chose me to sting and spared my children." What does the poet want to convey in this poem? A mother prefers to suffer pain rather than see her children suffer from any pain. Who drove the scorpion into the poet's house? Continuous rain drove the scorpion into the poet's house. The word flash in line 5 means a quick and sudden action. Why does the poet call the tail diabolic? Because it poisons the person it stings. Who came into the poet's house? A lot of peasants. What is the scorpion referred to as? The evil one. Why did the peasant say the name of God 100 times? To paralyze the evil scorpion. Whose shadows were thrown on the walls? Shadows of big scorpions. What does the phrase click their tongues mean? The peasants expressed their pity for the women by making some sounds with their tongues. Who are they in this poem? The peasants. Why did the peasants, want the scorpion to sit still? They believed that if the scorpion moved about, the poison would go up her body. Why did the poet's father try everything to help his wife? Because he was deeply concerned about her safety. What does the poet, Night of the Scorpion, say about a mother? A mother loves her children more than herself. She wants to save them from every kind of pain. Okay? From this lesson we read all lessons from poetry. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and all the best for your exams.